You keep saying you're fine, but your body hasn't agreed in a long time. You've been functioning, showing up, holding everything together, but deep down, you know your body has been asking for something different. And I say this gently because most of us don't notice it until it gets really loud, right? I'm Claudette Eames, certified mental wellness coach, helping the mature age community rebuild calm and strength with simple neuroscience based skin wellness support. And I'm here because I spent years saying, I'm fine, while my body was carrying more than I realized or was willing to admit, right? My gut wasn't screaming at me. I didn't have a huge stomach issues or anything dramatic, but my body was speaking in other ways. Inflammation, skin flares, stress sitting in my shoulders, waking up already tired. And I just brushed it all off because it becomes familiar. It becomes just who I am. But that doesn't mean it's healthy. My skin was the biggest messenger. That's right. Your skin being the largest organ, a lot of us miss that. But it kept telling me the truth long before I did. Not because something was wrong on the outside, but because something was happening inside that needed support. I had signs on the outside, but I didn't know where it was coming from. But it was inside. So once I learned how the gut brain and the skin all communicated, that's right, they have this traffic pattern going on. Things finally clicked. It wasn't random. It wasn't age. It wasn't just stress. It was my body doing everything it could to keep me going. And when I started supporting the inside, my mood, my stress response, my inflammation, everything settled. My skin calmed down. My energy evened out and was even healthier. My whole system felt less reactive and more grounded. Here's what I want you to hear today. Your body whispers long before it screams. Feeling fine doesn't mean you're actually well. Inflammation, skin issues, fatigue, they're all signals, not failures. They're just warning signs. You don't need a massive overhaul, just a starting point. Your body is not working against you. It's asking for support. If something in this is hitting home for you, if your body has been nudging you, if you're tired of brushing off all the little signs, I'm here. Just drop calm or send me a private message if that feels better. We can look at what your body's been trying to tell you and talk about a simple, doable next step for your season of life. You don't have to figure it out alone. And you don't have to stay in the I'm fine. So please, drop calm or private message me and let's talk. Let's talk it through and see where it's at and move forward. Be well. Thank you for being here. If you're watching a replay, just hashtag replay. Drop comments, questions. I'm here for you, and we can have that discussion. So again, I'm Claudette Eames, and thanks for being here, and I look forward to having a chat.